Let's say that we connect to our switch and we want to get some information about this switch. Maybe it's a customer switch, we're doing consulting, or maybe it's a switch that we just purchased and we just booted up. If we want to see information such as what version of Cisco iOS the switch is running, what interfaces are installed, we can give the command show version, or we could give the shortcut of show ver. But let's take a look at the output. What kind of information can we glean from this? One of the most important things is the Cisco iOS version. It looks like here we're running version 12.2.44 SE1. And if you're reporting an issue to Cisco's TAC, the Technical Assistance Center, they would want to know information such as what Cisco iOS version are you running. Something else that's valuable to know is how long has the switch been powered on. The switch uptime is 14 minutes in this case. We scroll down a bit further, and by the way, we scroll down by pressing the space bar to get another screen full of output. And on this screen, we see the interfaces that we have in this switch. I've got one virtual Ethernet interface configured. That means the VLAN 1 interface, that's where we assign the management IP address. That's what it's referring to. And I've got 24 fast Ethernet interfaces and a couple of gigabit interfaces. We can also see how much memory the switch has, how much RAM, and this is important when we're about to do an upgrade of Cisco iOS, because one of the things that we're told as we're about to download that upgrade image is, here's how much RAM you need, and we need to make sure that we have enough. And in order to interpret how much we have, we need to add these two numbers together. Let's pull out our calculator and let's say 118784 plus 12280. And in order to convert 131,064K kilobytes into megabytes, we divide by 1024. We have 1024K in a meg. Let's say divided by 1024, and we get 127.99. We've got 128 meg of RAM is what this is telling us. 128 meg, and this again is valuable information to know as you're about to upgrade your Cisco iOS image. We can see information such as the model number of the switch. I'm running a Catalyst 3750, but there are several models of 3750 Cisco Catalyst switches. We get to see what specific model number I have. If we scroll down, we get a bit of summary information. Here again is the Cisco iOS software version. Here is our specific model. And as you can see, there's lots of other information contained in that show version output, but we've tried to highlight some of the most valuable information we get from that command.